If you're wondering how you can pause screen recording, so in this video I will show you how you can do that on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, let's start screen recording. Now I will turn on the microphone, then just tap on start recording. And after you do that, you will start screen recording on your iPad. Now when you're screen recording and if you have enabled the microphone, you will notice that not only this icon appears, but an orange dot also appears that indicates that the microphone is working. Now to pause screen recording, just tap on this red icon over here. Now as you can see, it gives you the option to stop recording. But if you notice at the top of the screen, the orange dot has disappeared, which indicates that the recording has stopped. Now if you want to continue screen recording, just tap on cancel and you will start recording from where you have left. And once you're done recording, just tap on the red icon and select stop recording. Now as you can see, if I open the Photos app, then not only this icon appears, but an orange dot also appears that indicates that the microphone is working. Now to pause screen recording, just tap on this red icon. As you can see, this is how you can pause screen recording on your iPad. Now this option is good if you want to have a break while you're screen recording. But if you want to pause the screen recording to skip a part in the recording, for example, if you don't want to show a part like your contacts, for an example, then unfortunately there is no option to completely stop recording. As you can see, once this notification appears, the screen recording will be paused, but you will not be able to use your iPad. The only option you have in that case to stop recording, then just skip that part and continue screen recording from the control center. But with this method, you will have two screen recordings. Another option you have is that you can record the whole thing, but you can cut the unwanted part using an editing tool like CapCut. And this is how you can pause screen recording on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.